Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And it's the beginning of the month, and you know what that means. It's time for Stash Down 2024. Stash Down 2024 is hosted by Bridget over at Queen's Craft by Bridget. All it is that we're going to tell, I'm on a way using my trusty digital scale. This will be over here. Can't see. Pretty much we're going to show the projects I done using stash I had prior to the beginning of this year, which would be 2024. And those will count for Stash Down. And again, I have quite a bit to go through, so let's get started on that. First, we're going to start off with this little hat. This was just from last week. This was part of the Bag O' Day, or the Bag O' Day challenge, or the Bod Hat Palooza that is hosted over by Laura at Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming. Yeah, there's that little hat. It's so cute. Yeah, obviously this is not the actual true pattern, Bag O' Day hat pattern. I just made it small. Alright, I'm gonna turn on my scale. Let's see what we got here. It's only 0.6 ounces. Or 16 grams. So, very little. And pretty much the same week, pretty much part of the same challenge as you've seen this hat. That is this hat, part of the Bag O' Day hat challenge. Actually, I started just doing single crochets, not intending to make it a Bag O' Day hat, and then halfway through I liked the houndstooth pattern, so I added the pattern and I added the bill, which is, it didn't help adding the tag because it folds over. I still have to properly block it, or not. It's like, or not. Waiting for the scale. I'm just waiting for the scale to come out, and it's about 1.9 or 2 ounces. Or 55 grams. Alright, this next project. Actually, oddly, if you've seen this, I intended to just make a dishcloth. And I just added a towel topper to it. And no buttons, so it has. I think just there. Let me undo this so you can see what this project is. Obviously, we added the hole, and we just did like a hyperbolic thing on the end. That's that. Oh, so yeah, that's a challenge. It's starting. If you use it a lot, I see all my ends coming out. But we'll see what this weighs. I think I used almost the whole ball of. So that's 1.8 ounces, which makes about sense because I believe I used it in almost a 2-ounce ball. Or nearly 50, yeah, 49 grams, or almost 50. So yeah, you can tell almost the whole ball went into, which I think is like lily and like the stripes. I'm gonna say it's like sugar and cream cotton yarn. So that is that one. So this hat, yeah, so obviously most of the projects are going to be a hat, but this is not a Bag O' Day hat. This was part of the things we're making Thursday. It was just to create something in Tunisian crochet, and that is a Tunisian crochet hat I did. Not too bad. I didn't like that. Yeah, it had to bunch the whole thing on top, and yeah, and it did. The brim is permanently sewed on. So that is the Tunisian crochet hat. Oh, I put it on before this. See if it zeroed it out because I put it on before the scale was ready. Now it's ready. All right, it is 3.4 ounces. are 95 grams. Right. Here is another hat. This again was a Bago Day pattern that I didn't add pom-poms or to the ends. It's one of them ear flap hats. I'll link all her patterns, or the links all in the description. I think that's also, I did some variations. I think I did back loops. I don't think that was part of her pattern, but I like how this looks. Okay, we are on. That is 2.6 ounces, or 72 grams. And I think this is our last hat. Also a Bago Day hat. I think this is a variation of one of her Crystal's most popular patterns. Oh, it's still up yet. I still have, okay, I've got grams first. It's 110 grams. 3.9 ounces. Right, that is the end of the hats. Now I have the big one project, and that's the cardigan. We have the cardigan, which I finished as part of a mystery yarn challenge hosted by Lori at Armchair Chef. This was option 4, an option that I just finished a whip, and that's what I did. I finished a whip. So this next coming month in May, or this current month is now May, I went back to how I was going to do it. I am sending, actually I got a bag, I got stuff ready, yarn ready to send out to its recipient. So that'll go out either the day you see the video, or actually the day before. But yeah, this is the cardigan. Let's see if I can get it to fit on my little scale. You get big projects, it's always challenging to weigh those. Let's see, 1 pound, 5.8 ounces, 619 grams. Right, and that is all my projects that I did in April for Stash Down 2024. It says I said earlier, I'm setting up the Mystery Yarn Challenge yarn today, so about the coming weeks I should have that unboxing. And yeah, that is all I have, I think, coming up, other than my normal work in progress videos. Planning a trip this weekend to see my daughter. So excited to see my daughters in Kansas and the grandchildren. So anyway, that's enough babbling. That is all I have. So I hope you guys all have a good day. If you did like this video, please get a like. To see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.